Hello, my name is Kawi, and today we explore BoKaap neighborhood. Welcome to BoKaap, one of the most beautiful neighborhoods in Cape Town. Colored houses, it's really historical as well. Loving it here. It's a sunny day, thank God, because it has been cold the past few days. But so far so good. It's really beautiful. So many colors around. It's vibrant. Actually, it's really vibrant, and BoKaap is a residential area located at the heart of the mother city, Cape Town, South Africa. BoKaap, which means above Cape, dates to the 1700s when it became a settlement for slaves initially brought from Malaysia, Indonesia, and other parts of Africa. Their cultures became intertwined and the community was predominantly Muslim. So they built a mosque, a very famous mosque in 1794, a symbol of their faith and culture. The name of the mosque is Awal Mosque. The Awal Mosque is a popular landmark as it was the first mosque to be built in BoKaap by the Cape Malay slave settlers. When you're in BoKaap, you can't help but notice the famous Table Mountain behind the neighborhood. BoKaap boasts a history and a vibe that is truly distinctive. Definitely a place you don't want to miss when you visit. BoKaap, which is an old part of the city, is viewed as an emblem of nation's journey to freedom and post-apartheid victory. Though some places might be a bit run down and secluded with homeless people sleeping on the sidewalk, the place feels safe enough to walk with or without a tourist guide. And for us, we chose to walk by ourselves without a guide, and it turned out okay. Because BoKaap is such an attraction to tourists from far and wide, it has fast evolved into a touristic area with arts, crafts, shops in the neighborhood, tours taking place every other moment during the day. So anytime you are in BoKaap, make sure you visit this place, and for sure you will love it. You'll have a good time and enjoy the history that this place has to offer, like I did. And that would be it for BoKaap. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this walking tour of BoKaap and learned something new about BoKaap. Remember to leave a comment about what you think about BoKaap, and see you in the next video. Still in Cape Town, exploring the place. Bye bye.